does this feel? Oh, because you're off, Crystal. It's kind of match with the theme. Oh, that rhymes, the green theme. It's just some oil. It's actually body oil from Yawa & Co. It's Yawa, Y-A-W-A. Put some oil on these hands, y'all, so we don't be looking ashy on camera. I know y'all would read someone for filth if they came through with the ad got ring. My beautiful YouTube family, let's get started. So, new releases were released a couple of weeks ago. And we have not seen each other in a minute, child. Let's catch up and kiki, okay? So, first things first, I just want to show you the new releases that were released. We have the glass stickers, pun intended. The glass stickers comes with the triangles, and so we went green for spring. So these are the new releases that we had not put out a video for yet. So this is the official video for the new releases. Green for spring. The tiny dots, so cute, so cute. So I can show you how tiny they are. Just to give you an idea. So this is a new insert. And look at that, it fits so perfect in the boxes. They're tiny, they're so cute. It comes in a set of 2. You either get 2 sets of the dots or 2 sets of the triangles. And let me tell you, there are over 100 on each sheet. So you get 200 stickers for that price. All right, so I wanted to bring this down just a little bit for us. So here are the triangles. These are the tiny dots. So these are the fern. So this one is fern. Transparent sticky notes. Of course, you know it comes on our signature transparent card. Love. So that's why we are playing on the crystal clear theme. You know I love me a good crystal clear girl. Then this one is the olive. So fern is the lighter green. This is the color fern. This is the olive color. So here we go. This one comes with the fern and the olive, and this one comes with the olive and then just like a nude color. So that's the difference. Just remember the dominant color is the name of the sticky note. So fern, olive, okay? My favorite part, of course, dashboards. Look at this. So we have a half sheet that matches up with the full sheet. This is the Green Verdure duo set. It's cardstock, very neat. Look at that. It has like a cute little finish sheen to it. Love that. The meaning of verdure is like vegetation. So that's why we named it Spring Verdure, because we are in the spring. We're doing a little bit of spring cleaning, but verdure means vegetation. So that's why we wanted to name this collection the Spring Verdure. So this is the Spring Verdure Duo cardstock. You get both of these. It comes with 2. And this is the crystal clear single pocket, if you wanted to know, in case you wanted to go on the site and look for it. So this is the crystal clear single pocket. Right now it only comes in A5. So this is the prolific vellum dash. It has green text. It's kind of hard to see unless you like put it. It has a cute subtle green tint to it. It has the definition of prolific. So that's a vellum dashboard option that you can put on top, because you know we love a good layering moment. And that's a moment. So you can also do that on top of here. We're gonna just put her right in there. Let's put her right in there, just so you can get a feel of what she looks like on top. So you have that option, and then we also have this option. So you have the prolific option if you wanted to choose a vellum, or if you like it by itself, that is fine. Yes, isn't that gorgeous? So you have that moment, or you have this moment with just the minimal words just to put over there. So those are the dashboard options. Released are discs. So these are 1 1/4. This is an olive color, if you can see that. Oh, it's so nice and modern. It kind of reminds you of like a military army green. Love that. And it comes in these little storage boxes. We decided to put them in more of a storage box that you can continuously use, because it comes with 11. The largest size we will potentially have would be the classic Happy Planner, which I think is like a 9 disc size. So you'll always have like a spare number of discs, and that is to help you in case you lose one or something like that. But they now come in these cute little convenient boxes. And then this one is the fern. Sorry, we didn't grab one with the label. But this is the fern color. Oh, look how cute that is. It's like a more of a light green. I love this color. And both of these actually pair really well with this dashboard. I chose a crystal clear because I just like clear. We know this, right? We've already established that. Excuse me. So I have tried to make a design that fits either color disc that you choose if you're a disc person. So if you see that, it matches any of the discs. Isn't that cool? So we have the crystal clear on the side. The crystal clear is 1.5. These are 1 1/4 inches, and you could choose any color, and any color that you choose would go with the dashboard really well. Isn't that great? All of these match together. So you notice that? So everything matches together. Now the olive green is not spot on, but it is really close. Let me show you. So the olive green is not spot on, but it's really close. Of course, there are two different, I don't want to say fabrics, materials, two different materials. So that's why it has a slight difference in color. But when I tell you the fern is so spot on, I love it. Look at this. How could you not? How could you not? I love these colors. They're still modern and minimal and contemporary, but they give you a little bit of color. Okay, so since we talked about all the pretty accessories, let's go ahead and get started on the inserts. So here you will find our Keeping It Pretty Activity Weekly Schedule. This is where you can either plan or track weekly activities. It has 7 days up here. It has a place where you can put your activities, and then you can track them here. And then you have your weekly schedule, cleaning schedule at the bottom. One good thing that I like about this is that you can plan whether your cleaning will either be light, regular, or deep for each cleaning that you schedule. So for myself, and it's on here for a light cleaning would typically be about 10-15 minutes. Regular cleaning is like 20 to 30. And then a deep cleaning, I put like 45 minutes or more. Deep cleaning would probably be like a complete reorganization. And I will show these to you. So this is a blank one. I wanted to give you the blank one just so you will not see it cluttered with my personal tasks. So then we move on. We have revamped our meal plan insert, which now has your meals on one side and then your list on the other, and then a check mark after you've either ordered them, because I like to do online ordering because it saves me time and it saves me money. So after I go in and order them, I'll just put like a little check mark. And over here, typically you would see like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like a BL or a D or written out, but we left it open. That way you can either plan, if you're not a breakfast person, maybe you could just plan lunch and dinner. Or if you're If you don't eat until, if you like to snack until you eat, maybe you can choose healthy snacks. So snack 1, snack 2, dinner, or just something like that. We just left it open for you to be able to put anything in here that you would like. So that is our new meals and list insert. So let's recoup. So we have the new activities, we have the meals and list. Here, I'll put that down. We had the discs in both Fern and Olive. And don't judge me because one of them does not have it on there. Then we have the prolific. We have the prolific vellum, the crystal clear. These are 1.5. And then we have the Spring Verdure Duo. These come as a set. We have the minimum words vellum dash as well. We had our cute accessories, which are the transparent sticky notes and then the glass stickers. That is our collection for now. Okay. So we hope that you like it. The site is Pretty Plan Co, not Pretty Planner Co, prettyplanco.com. This one was dedicated to all things home because our pillars are home, health, wealth, self, career, which can be / school or business. So those are our planning pillars that we have coined: home, health, self, and career. And so we dedicated this new release to home, and we also added some beautiful colors to it. So thank you for watching. Plan pretty. Have a pretty life. We'll talk to you later.